Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to reset system settings on this device. So to do this, you just have to open settings, then go to the additional settings section, then to the backup and reset, erase all data, and here you have to select the first option, reset system settings only, and then confirm it by typing reset system settings only one more time, and then one more time. And after that, all of the system settings will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.